Welcome my dear student in digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in data handling and I am going to tell you today about pie chart. How to construct a pie chart when some information is given to you. So let's see, we have a question number 2. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons, rainy, winter and summer. Out of 3 we need to give voting and total peoples are 360. This is important information. Total people are 360. So this is a table that is representing this data. You can see first season, summer season got 90 votes, rainy season got 120 votes, winter season got 150 votes. So what are the total? First it is very important to know what is the total. So total is given to us, that is 360. So first question, which season got maximum votes? From table it is very clear, winter season got maximum votes. So you need to write, answer is winter. Got maximum vote. First question is very easy, that is related to your maximum number of votes. Next, find the central angle of each sector. First, you must know whenever we are talking about pie chart. So in this we have pie chart. So this is complete 360. Question is that what is the angle made by winter season, what is the angle made by rainy season after drawing into pie chart. So let's see how to find out the central angle. So central angle of summer season. How to write, that is very important. For that, my dear student, first you need to write how many votes summer season got. Write that first. That is 90 votes. Out of how many votes? It is 360. And after that multiply this by 360 degree. This 360 degree is the total angle of the circle. That is the pie chart. So now write degree over every number because we are going to find angle. So let's see what you will get here. 360 you can cancel, 360 1 360. So the answer is 90 degree. If any other question is given to you, similarly you need to find first what is the total, that write in denominator, and for particular summer 90 then write up. Now second angle, that is central angle of rainy season. For rainy season, now once again see what is the total voting for rainy. It is 120. Total is 360. Now angle of circle, that is 360. Now put degree over every number. Now cancel out once again. So let's see, 361 360. So our answer become 120 degree. Now the last left, that is winter. Central angle of winter season. So if I am talking about winter season, so you can see here winter season maximum votes are 150. Total people were 360. Multiply it with the 360 degree sum of angles. Now cancel out. 361 360. So what is the answer? 150 degree. So next is draw a pie chart to show this information. I hope up to here it is clear to you. So first task, find the center, draw an arc, draw a radius. If this is center point O, draw any radius, then put your compass over it or protractor. You can construct 90 degree over it, or directly you can put your protractor over it in this way and find 90. Wherever you will find 90, join that line. Now you will get first angle, that is 90 degree. and season you need to write inside. Season is summer. Next, then how to draw next angle, that is rainy season. 120. Keep your protractor in opposite side here and find 120. If 120 is written here, draw an arc. So this would be your 120-degree angle and season name is rainy. Now automatically the angle left, that is 150 degree and season is winter. So this is very important, my dear student. Once again, it is very clear to you how to make, but I want to tell you just what are the important things here. First, find what is the total number of people. Then, what is the chart given to you. From there you need to calculate their angles. And angles, I told you, just write what is the number. Here summer is 90. So 90 you need to write up, total people down, then multiply by 360. Then similarly in all cases, and when we are talking about pie chart, you can use protractor or you can construct by putting one line. Then take your protractor, put over it, make 90, 120 and 150 degree. So in this way you can convert statements into pie charts. Thank you.